Welcome guys to the first episode of how to make a minigame game on Roblox. In this episode, we're gonna focus mainly on just like the intermission timer. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do, we're gonna want to create a script in the workspace, alright? And we're gonna call this timers, alright? Because we're gonna be using this a lot for timers. And inside that, we're going to create a string value, and we're going to rename the string value to text. Alright, now we're just going to define text real quick. So local text is equal to script dot text. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to do local timer, or no, time num. Actually, remove this local, sorry. Time num is equal to 0. Alright, and we're going to have a while true do loop. Alright, and here we're going to have our time num. So time num is equal to whatever number you want the intermission to last for. I'm going to do 10, but you can do as long as you want. Next, we're going to do repeat. Repeat, alright, and then we do enter, and this until will be created. And we're going to click on the until, and we're going to do time equals 0. Or not time, sorry, time num. I'm still on timers. Alright, inside this repeat loop, we're going to have time num minus equals 1. Alright, so time num minus equals 1. Alright, and then we're going to have text dot value equal to intermission, and then 2 dots and then a space, and then we're going to get out of that string. We're going to do dot dot space and then time num. Alright, and after we're just going to add a wait 1 second so that our script does not crash. And after this time num, after the until loop, I mean, or repeat, we're going to do enter, and we're going to write text dot value equals to a string that says game starting. And then we're gonna wait 2 seconds. So that's our script. We can leave it like that. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go and start a GUI, and we're going to create a brand new screen GUI. Now this screen GUI is gonna be called time GUI. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Time GUI. Alright. Inside this, we're gonna add a text label. It's just gonna be called text. And you can edit, and for the position, the position is going to be set to, no, not position, size, 1, 0, 0.1, 0. So that it fills up just a little bit of the bar here. Then what you're going to do, you're going to remove the background transparency, or that's what I'm going to do. You can edit this as much as you want. Just I want you to have the text scaled. Alright? So I'm just going to edit this real quick. I'm going to make this bold. I'm going to add inside a UI stroke. But you don't need to do whatever I'm doing with the text. You can edit your text as much as you want. Alright, so now I have my text here. We're going to add a local script inside this text. And we're going to write inside this while true do. So you have another while true do. We're not going to do that. We're going to do wait. But with nothing inside, it's just so that it doesn't crash, right? We're going to do script dot parent dot text equal to game dot workspace dot timers, no, not terrain, not dot timers dot text dot value. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna check if this works. And as you can see here, it says intermission, and it goes down. And once it goes all the way down, it's going to say game starting. There we go. So that was the first episode. I hope you enjoyed it. And episode 2, we're going to start with teleporting players into your games. See ya.